Well, good day, YouTube. It's been a long time, hasn't it? We got snow outside today. It's currently snowing a little bit. It snowed about an inch this morning. So yeah, got something new for the old co-op here that might make it a little quieter. I got a muffler. Came in a couple days ago. It was a late Christmas present. So, and I also got this for it, but I don't know if I'm going to throw that on there. Of course, there it went flying around, of course. It'll have more dings and dents than any new piece I own ever will have. So yeah, okay. Put it right there. So yeah, it's a replacement for the muffler that would have been on there. I think it might have had one at one point in time, but there's no ring. It might not have, I don't know, but it still leaks. So yeah, needs to, this thing leaks oil out the front main, so I don't know how I'm going to fix that. I mean, I'd have to take the whole motor apart. But, yeah, this is it. This is the muffler that would have been on it in 1948. If my great-grandpa ordered it that way. I don't know if he did or not. And it just fell off. Or if he never ordered it with it anyway. So, but anyway, I'm going to install it today because this thing is so obnoxiously loud you can't even begin to drive it for over 2 hours without wearing earmuffs. I mean, you really can't even drive it without earmuffs. I mean, you can, but it's loud. And it's really loud. So, make sure you guys are in a good shot here. And yeah, we'll get started on this thing. And now the thing's saying the battery's dead, so that's just great. So, alright, let's get started here. Another interesting point. It came with this clamp. How greasy and dirty that is. They sent me a used clamp. I don't know how I feel about that, but I really don't care much because it still threads just fine. They put new nuts on it, but this is a used clamp. Imagine that. Hopefully it charged itself. Probably didn't. Choke it. fog myself out in here. Look at the smoke coming out, curling out the top. See that? That's pretty cool. A little smoke. That's pretty cool. As you saw in my previous video too, this co-op, it'll be much nicer to run come hay season. But that tedder I got is a tag-along, and I got that tag-along tedder for a specific reason. And it's right there. No drawbar. But it has a live PTO, and that was really revolutionary in '48 when this thing was built. But hitch and a PTO, and this PTO, it runs the baler a little slow, but it runs about 500 RPM. This thing will run that tedder really well come springtime. I think I really like the can on top of that. What do you think? This looks right. It just looks right on there. I might have put that a little too tight, but hey, it'll stay there. So yeah, I guess I might as well go show you the truck now that I got the level on it. Cause yeah, it's snowing. These F-150s, they really sat down in the front. Especially this one. Look at it now. It looks like the Super Duty I was driving before. It's really level now. So yeah, one problem I'm having though is the outer tie rod end on this tire. When I put the level on it, the taper wouldn't go back all the way in, so I'm gonna try to fix that here, but I don't have enough film to really film that now, so I guess I'll try to fix it right now. I have to move this pig, and so yeah, I think I'll come back to you when it's all done. Well, here's it all said and done. I couldn't get the taper to come up any further, but I did. You might be able to see if I take out the tripod. The battery in this thing's about to die, so. But I might see in there. I sucked it all the way up to as far as it would go, and I thread locked the heck out of it, so it's not moving. So anyway, that's it on my truck and the co-op. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, leave comments, and I probably will not get to making videos again until spring break, which is at the end of March, so just be prepared for a big span of nothing from me. So, alright, just thought I'd let you guys know because I have got a crap load of work and exams and all kinds of junk. So, that's it. I'll see you guys later.